Hi there, and welcome to another video. This time we're going to do an unboxing. Here in the UK, it's the 16th of September 2022, and the new iPhone has been released. It was obviously on pre-order last week, so I ordered it. I currently have the iPhone 12 Pro, and so now I've decided I need an upgrade, so I've just moved over to the 14. So let's have a quick look at what we've got. So I thought I'd share the unboxing with you. Obviously, not everybody gets the opportunity to get one on the day, so hope you can enjoy and share with me. So this came about an hour ago through DHL. So let's unbox. Obviously, the various dispatch notes. Don't need any of those. Let's have a look what we've got. So there we are. iPhone. It's got the new sort of screen. Just noted this design. It's got some kind of pill in there or whatever, or islands or magic islands. So as I say, I know very little about it. I just went ahead and ordered. So we can see it's the iPhone 14 Pro. This is, and let's unbox. So it looks like to unbox, you've got a couple of places here where we just need to peel back. And we'll spin it around. We've shoved it to lift, and there we have it. So unlike the iPhones in the past, I don't know the 13, I skipped a version, didn't see much benefit and value to go, but usually they come face down this way, but these come in the box straight away upside down. And one thing I do notice straight away compared to the 12 is look at the size of those cameras, they're absolutely humongous. So we'll do a quick comparison as well while we're at it. It was an unboxing video, but while I'm here, might as well have a quick comparison as well. So what do we get in the case? We get the lightning connector. I think that's a USB-C underneath there as well. Yeah, USB-C lightning connector. And what else do we get in here? And just the normal notes, and that's about it really. What it says on the tin, it says includes iPhone 14 Pro and USB-C to lightning cable, power adapter and headphones sold separately. So you get a lot for your money really these days. It is what it is. So if I put these side by side, there's the 14 Pro and the 12 Pro. So we can see very little in terms of size difference, if at all. And where I usually go for the space grey, this wasn't an option this time, and it's a space black. And if you can see that, not too bad. Now, I'm just looking at the depth of these cameras. Now, I thought they were quite deep on the iPhone 12 Pro, but when I compare that, that's quite different. Now, one thing just to take into account is when you've got this flat on a table, you've got the little wobbly, but I'm expecting this is going to be quite a bit more now. So yes, quite different. But I think I'm going to have to get a case for this just to hopefully to level this out. As I say, it's quite deep, but I'm guessing the camera power is quite something. I haven't checked the specs, but I think it was quite a leap in terms of megapixels. I will do another video afterwards with the actual thing switched on and have a look around it. So I'm peeling, and there we are, the lovely screen for the iPhone. Pretty much the same controls there. So you've got your silent there, your volumes, and then you've got your power on the side. and obviously the lightning connector. So not really much more to show. As I say, I just wanted to share the unboxing with you, and hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.